morning, Planet Squad, my amazing wildlife explorers. Welcome to our special nature school, right here in the heart of a breathtaking safari in beautiful South Africa. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to learn from some of the most spectacular, biggest, and wildest animals on our planet. These animals aren't just fascinating, they are truly nature's teachers, showing us how important every creature is.
Wow! Are we going to see lions and giraffes up close, Jasier? I hope a lion roars.
You might, Darlington. Keep your eyes peeled. But today, we're going to dive deep into the lives of three truly magnificent and very special animals that need our super squad help. The stealthy tigers, the armored rhinoceros, and the majestic elephants. They're like the giants of the animal kingdom, each playing an incredibly important role in keeping our Earth healthy and balanced. They're like nature's engineers and gardeners. Why are they important, Jasier? What do they do? That's a fantastic question, Anietta. Let's start with those magnificent gentle giants, the elephants. They are like nature's very own super gardeners and forest architects. As they gracefully lumber through forests and savannas, they don't just walk, they're planting, pruning, and pathway making. They eat tons of plants, and as they travel, they spread seeds in their droppings, helping new plants sprout up in new places. And they even create clear paths through thick forests, which other animals then use. Their eating habits actually help new plants grow and keep the whole ecosystem healthy and open. Imagine a forest without paths. It would be too dense for many animals. Many trees and plants wouldn't spread their seeds far and wide, and the whole environment would change a lot. They are vital for the health and diversity of our forests and savannas.
What about rhinos? They look so strong with those big horns. Are they like nature's protectors?
They are incredibly strong, Nini, and super important in their own way. The rhinoceroses are like the champion lawnmowers and landscape shapers of the grasslands. They eat a lot of grass, and by doing so, they keep the grass trim, which helps new, healthy grass grow even stronger and greener. This creates perfect, fresh food for other animals that eat grass, like zebras and wildebeest. If rhinos didn't eat all that tall grass, it would get too long and tough, and then the other grazers wouldn't have good food. So, they're like giant gardeners with a horn, helping to keep the landscape just right for everyone.
And tigers? Are they important too, even if they're a little bit scary? They look so powerful.
Tigers are not just powerful and beautiful, they are incredibly important for keeping their entire forest home healthy and balanced. What we call apex predators. Imagine tigers as the kings and queens at the very top of their food chain. They help keep the populations of animals they hunt, like deer and wild pigs, in check. If there were too many deer, for example, they might eat all the plants and trees, leaving no food for anyone else, and then the whole forest would suffer and even disappear. So, by being super hunters, tigers ensure that there's a healthy balance of animals and plants, keeping the forest thriving and full of life for everyone.
These animals are like super important for everything, but it sounds like their numbers are getting smaller. Why is that happening, Jasier?
That's the part that makes us sad, Darlington, and it's why Planet Squad's mission is so crucial. These amazing animals are indeed facing big threats, mostly because of things people do. Habitat loss. Imagine someone building houses right in your backyard, leaving you no space to play. That's what's happening to animals. People are cutting down forests and wild spaces to build houses, farms, or roads. This means animals lose their homes, their hiding spots, and the places they find their food and water. And tigers, for example, need huge, wild spaces to roam and hunt, and when those spaces shrink, they struggle. Poaching, this is a very sad and illegal problem. It's when people illegally hunt animals for their body parts, like rhino horns or elephant tusks. These body parts are not special. They are just like our fingernails. It's incredibly wrong, cruel, and a huge reason why their populations are reducing so quickly. Climate change. Our planet's weather is changing, and this makes it harder for animals to survive. There can be changes in temperature, too much or too little rain, or even big storms can change their habitats, making it tough for them to find food and water or raise their young.
That makes me really sad, Jasier. What can we do to help? We're just kids.
You are the Planet Squad, and you have incredible power to make a huge difference. Every single one of you can be a wild animal protector. Here's how you can be a superhero for these amazing creatures. Is learn and share, just like we're doing right now. The more you learn about these animals and why they're important, the more you can tell your friends and family. Share your knowledge. The more people who know how special and vulnerable these animals are, the more people will want to help. Support nature programs, Life Rescue Alliance, and ask your grown-ups if you can support organizations that work tirelessly to protect wild animals and their homes. Life Rangers are specialists. These groups help stop poaching, rescue injured animals, and protect vast areas of land for them to live safely. Even a small donation. If you ever get to visit a safari or a zoo, make sure it's a place that truly cares for the animals and protects them, not a place that allows touching or disturbing them in harmful ways. The best explorers keep their distance, stay quiet, and never disturb the animals. Use binoculars or a zoom lens, stay in your vehicle, and let them live their wild life. Reduce, reuse, recycle. When we use less stuff and reuse what we have and recycle properly, we need fewer new things from the earth. This means less cutting down of forests, less mining, and less pollution that can harm animal habitats. Every time you recycle a plastic bottle, you're helping protect an elephant's home. Your voice for the voiceless. Speak up. Draw a picture, write a letter to your local government, or tell your school about these amazing animals and why they need our protection. Every voice, no matter how small, can help keep our wild neighbors safe.
So, if I recycle my plastic, it helps an elephant? That feels really big for something so small.
Huge way. Yes, Nini. Every action that helps our planet healthy helps the animals too. When we live more sustainably, meaning we use Earth's resources wisely, we protect their homes, keep their water clean, and ensure they have enough to eat. It all connects. It's like a giant, wonderful web of life.
And if we don't buy things that are made from animal parts, that helps stop poaching?
If nobody buys illegal animal products like rhino horn carvings or ivory tusks, then there's no reason for poachers to hunt these precious animals. You are all becoming amazing environmental educators today, Planet Squad. Yay! Promise to be guardians of the wild and ensure these incredible creatures have a safe, happy, and thriving future on our beautiful planet. Yay! Remember, Planet Squad, protecting the wild means protecting us all. Every creature has a role, and every effort we make, no matter how small, adds up to a huge difference for our amazing Earth. Let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting our incredible planet.